Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my dancers and danitors. Yeah, just some things I want to talk to you about. First things first, I'm going to present a video to you. And in this video, a person said some things that I think the Supreme Ventures within the country of Jamaica should take a look into. Yeah, the Supreme Ventures Limited within the country of Jamaica. I think that they should investigate some things that this person said in this video. And that's if those things are actually true. But more I listen to the video and tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, here's the video. Look, listen and observe with me.
Alright, so I realized something this morning when I go buy them here.
Listen.
From the other day, I notice it, but I need to take too much clothes till this morning. Now I go to Supreme Ventures this morning, and this girl always there. Take forever to sell me the ticket. The ticket they must have put on right at the window. She not sell me none from the box. Right? She have a group of men will come there. You understand me? And every time they come there, she only sell them from that side. And three of the man them get understand, so one of them are boyfriend, and the boyfriend him win the million 2 days ago, the 300,000 and the 100,000, and this morning one of that 300,000.
You hear the allegation there?
Me?
You hear the allegations, I should say.
Supreme Ventures may report this. The people them at the cash pot shop them, I take them here and I scan them. Them have a scanner, but them I scan them and I use it because me see it this morning and me did really upset with her this morning. You understand me? The youth them want like they want gang me feet. You understand me? Them upset say this is a target out there. Fuck this them a go on. Look how much all of them may buy this man and one of them no win. You understand? She pick out all her losing ticket them and I sell the people them. And I sell her friend them and her man. The one them will win. It's all them people are them wicked. Supreme Ventures may report this in people who share this figure around the people and the Supreme Ventures. Them some of them have a scanner, we scan it and scam the thing. So the people in now win no money.
Yeah.
Understand? So this you don't need to correct this. You don't need to correct this.
Yeah.
Fuck them are going with.
My people, those are some strong allegations, you know, my people. See? And you might be surprised to know that the things that the person said can be true and can also be not true. You understand? So some strong allegations them there. So my best advice is that Supreme Ventures within the country of Jamaica, Supreme Ventures Limited, should at least somewhat investigate those allegations that have been made in that video. Yes, I say my people, yeah man, there's some look on that, you see? Yeah, because if some farmers scan a thing and use to scan these things that are used for gambling and then, you know, giving preference to certain persons and all these things, them things there, no fear. Anyways, my people, just I make you hear some things that person say in that video. So I'm going to move on to another topic here. Now, viewers and subscribers, I got information that the lead singer of the group that goes by the name of Mighty Diamonds and another person had been shot and killed on the 29th of March, the year 2022, at a place that is known as McKinley Crescent. That's within St. Andrew, that's within the country of Jamaica. Yes, I got information that the lead singer of the Mighty Diamonds, who goes by the name of Donald Tabisha, had been shot and killed. And another person also had been shot and killed in St. Andrew, Jamaica on the 29th of March, the year 2022. So according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, see, I got information that Mr. Shah or Donald Shah was among persons at the location where the incident happened. Now, I read more than one news articles about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, I understand, and in one news article, the whole situation is called a drive-by shooting, and in another news article, it is said that men came from out of a vehicle and opened fire. Some of these informations out there in different news articles don't really and truly sounds exactly similar. Yes, what I say? See, now there are also allegations as to why Donald Tabisha had been shot and killed, no viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, there are allegations that this might have happened to him because of a family member, but that information is not 100% confirmed, viewers and subscribers. You understand? See? And you know, there's also details as to how the whole incident happened, viewers and subscribers, but some of the details are somewhat graphic in my point of view. It is said that both Shaw and the other person who had been shot and killed was taken to a hospital where they had been pronounced dead, and the preliminary reports are that at least 3 other persons had been injured as a result of the whole incident, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And according to at least one news article that I read, it is said that Donald Tabisha is 67-year-old. And I read quite a number of comments on social media about the whole situation. Viewers and subscribers, Jamaica has lost another great musician. See me? And just to make you know about this whole situation or the incident. You see it? So, you know, here's where I'm going to leave it. I don't have a whole lot of information about this whole situation. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, quick and fast. I want to say certain things about this whole situation where it is said that Will Smith slapped Chris Rock in the face while he's on stage at the Oscar Awards that had been held within the year 2022. See? Now, in my point of view, both persons are at fault and are wrong. You see me? Yeah, I think that Will Smith is wrong, and I think that Chris Rock was wrong as well too. See? Here why I say so. The joke that Chris Rock made that's referred to Will Smith's wife, or Chris Rock make a joke about Will Smith's wife, I think that the joke is somewhat insensitive because you know, when I think about the joke, I think that the joke is somewhat referring to some form of disorder that Will Smith's wife have that causes bald spots on her head. You see me? And she was open about this whole situation which I got through. You see me? However, even though Chris Rock said some things that can be considered as insensitive about Will Smith's wife, that do not give Will Smith the right to hit Chris Rock in the face. And that's my point of view. See? So in my point of view, both persons are wrong. And if anyone should be more wrong than the other, I think that Will Smith would be more wrong than the other. Yes, I may say? Yeah, so me look upon it. And that's the truth. But here's the thing though. You know, even though I know that whole situation there is somewhat of a embarrassing and can be considered as a serious situation, I see quite a number of posts on social media from vloggers and all different persons making jokes and making memes and all them things. You see me? I see a picture that shows Chris Rock's face somewhat synced in like this. Now that picture is an edited picture. You understand? Yes. So somebody edit the picture and the face go like this. You see me? Where this part going? So. You see what I say? Then me see a video on social media that shows when Will Smith hit Chris Rock repeatedly in the face, you know, but there's a song played in the background of it. You know that song was say, "Soon you'll forget me not," you know, and that's it there. So what someone did, I don't know if I one or more than one person's, but the video gave me the understanding that the smack, well, Will Smith smack Chris Rock in the face, then match the smack with the sound of the song. We'll go boom, bing, soon you forget me not. Yes, I say. And then you have other persons who do certain videos where they make it seem as if that when Will Smith a walk come up for come hit them to order them to the video, them somehow pull out a weapon and Will Smith turn back. And I say, oh, you think me I come make embarrassment? One bag of joke and memes. You see me, I'm going to tell you the honest truth. Some of those videos make it very hard for me not to laugh. But however, I think that both persons were wrong. I'm just weighing my little 1-2 on this. So, me I go left it right here, so viewers and subscribers. You don't know me dancehall skilla. I just try to keep this whole thing blagging. Some people might say vlogging. You see me I say, yeah man, so I'm just keep you up to date and post it. I let you know what's going on and weigh in my 1-2 upon that whole situation. Even though that whole situation is being talked about all over on social media. You understand? Yeah. So I just I go left it now. So big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Soon again, is it?
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?